Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how to start a dropshipping business, a complete playbook for 2022. So let's check out full details. So first of all, I want to share with you how does the dropshipping business model work. Okay, so dropshipping is an order fulfillment method that lets store owners sell directly to consumers without stocking any inventory. So when a customer purchases a product from a dropshipping store, a third party supplier ships it directly to them. The customer pays the retail price you set, you pay the suppliers wholesale price, and the rest is profit. You never have to handle products or invest in inventory. In order to sell products, you just need to register an account with a supplier. So there is the fourth drop shipping chart. Number one, your customer places an order from your online store. Your store automatically send the order to your dropshipping supplier. Your dropshipping supplier prefers your customers order. Number four, your dropshipping supplier ships the order directly to your customer. Okay, and then three common ways to find a supplier for your dropshipping store are: one, through a supplier database like Alibaba or AliExpress. Number two, using an integrated supplier directly in your store's back and like desserts. Number three, through a print on demand service like free Intify, Fintify. The easiest dropshipping process for Shopify store owners is through desserts. You can source millions of products from the desserts marketplace to AliExpress and import them directly to your stores with the click of a button.